Modifying display format of DateTimes in django-tables2. I'm currently using django-tables2 to display a query set of my model. One of the attributes of this model is a datetime field accurate to the millisecond, which is being truncated to the minute in my table. I had previously manually implemented a simple table in HTML and had no issues. My datetime fields were following true to the datetime_ format applied in my settings. Settings.py. The problem has arisen since I began using django-tables2. Is there some way to modify the way it displays datetime fields or make it follow my specified datetime_ format? I need to retain the sorting functionality, so converting to a string is not an option. I'm using render_table to display my table. The following is my table class.
Problem solved. django-table2's datetime column class seems to be looking for a short _datetime_ format rather than the datetime_ format in my settings.py. Updated the value in my settings file and everything is in working order.
This confused me for a while as I tried to use the Python datetime formatting options. The formatting options for Django templates apply in django-tables2, and are fully enumerated at the Django docs. This URL. From that, if you have a model with one datetime column, and you want their birthday to be formatted as month day year, hour column minute AM PM, then you would enter the following.
You can add format as argument to datetime column. This URL.
Chwała wam specjalnie, lasek są siebie subscribing.